Hello coin engineers, I have brought you another video, and this video will be all about StepN and different things related to StepN. And to be able to follow these news coming from StepN and different move-to-earn projects, please subscribe to our channel and keep the notifications on, because you never know when we are going to share you some different and updated videos related to the projects. And now let's see our staking. This is my personal staking, and now for each day I have almost 10 tickets, and now I have 47 tickets, and we still have 6 days and 18 hours to go. And I need to show you this. It's sad, but there's nothing we can do for it. I had 70 tickets and I couldn't even win $1, loot box I mean. Unfortunately, there's nothing we can do. I just told you. Now we will wait for our second chance. And also you have to be aware of scammers as well, because when you open your Telegram applications and when you are in StepN chat page, you will be having many different scam projects popping out from StepN, so-called StepN. Just be careful, beware of scammers. And also, as you know, our first loot box round has been completed. More than 68,000 addresses, which means holders, participated right in this loot box round, and 10,000 loot boxes distributed, and only 35% of loot boxes contain sneaks. We told you this before, and now we only have 3,500 sneaks in StepN application so far. Now we will wait for loot box round 2. As I told you, we have like almost 7 days to go, and also almost 150 million FitFi stakes, and new stakes are coming every minute, as StepN states, and it has 200k followers on Twitter. For the ones who couldn't recognize because of busy day, because of working, let me tell you this briefly. StepN has been recognized by Twitter, and now they have this verification on their profile. This is huge one. And I have been asked many times, when are we going to have our beta launch? As you see, it's right in the end of Q2, which is like in the end of May. And if you follow StepN chat and also StepN communities, you can easily find that we will be having our beta launch in the end of May. Okay, we are very excited for it. And the other news will be from StepN as well. This is a huge attack coming from StepN. StepN created some localization in China. I think everybody knows what happened to StepN. StepN said that they moved their company, their project out of China. Now, because Chinese users were using StepN application by getting benefit of IP and also VPN, which makes it illegal to use in China. So for now, people in China won't be able to get benefit from StepN. And after this news coming from StepN has made a crazy move related to Chinese local market, and now StepN localization updates, Chinese Mandarin retained. Okay, StepN ecosystem is being developed, language localizations for all major markets. The native blockchain's developer documents, pages, and news flow will all include globalized StepN. And also, that's important, StepN will retain Chinese Mandarin localization for project documents and media. And upcoming localizations will include Korean and Japanese too. This is huge one. Okay, and now we have come to the end of our video. If you've got any questions, please comment down it below. I'll be waiting for your questions, guys. Take care. Bye bye.